Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Herne Bay, and in particular Herne and Broomfield, taking a look at number 2 Woodrow Chase. Now this is a fantastic property, an immaculate detached bungalow offering 2 great sized double bedrooms, and it's been completely refurbished both inside and outside with a real sense of care and attention taken to each little detail. Now this property gives you the new roof, new windows, updated modern kitchen dining space, beautifully presented bathrooms. It's absolutely wonderful. So we come through from the main hallway and taken a good look already at one of the bedroom spaces there. Really nice layout as well in particular. Really do encourage you to come and take a look at this one in person. Coming through and taking a look at the second bedroom here. Again, plenty of space in terms of storage and space for the bed as well. Coming back out, we're going to go through and take a look at the main family shower room here on the right hand side. Nice open shower unit on the left with of course the loo there with the concealed cistern nicely tucked away, and the sink really nicely set onto the countertop there on the right hand side as well. Now coming out from here, we're going to head through and take a look at the open plan sort of kitchen and dining space, which then loops around really nicely into the lounge area. Kitchen itself offers a really sleek and contemporary design. You've got a range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods there, and as you come through into the lounge you get a real sense of light from that huge window at the front there, letting all of that natural light flood through. Now you've also noticed that you've got the air conditioning here as well, and that's an absolute bonus. As you can see, it's a beautifully sunny day outside, and that aircon is going to make the world of difference when we get those really hot summers. Now externally we've got a fully insulated log cabin with underfloor heating and the insulated workshop there as well. You've got that large driveway, plenty of off-road parking, extensive even at that, and the garden itself is beautiful and south facing as well with a very excellent degree of privacy. So going back to the air conditioning point, of course that's in the lounge and the main bedroom, so the main spaces that you really wanted. Now I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in, and then of course we'll reconvene a little bit later on to go through the property's key points and wrap up today's video tour. So there we have it. That has been number 2 Woodrow Chase in Herne and Broomfield, an immaculate detached bungalow with 2 great sized double bedrooms, completely refurbished throughout with that impressive modern kitchen dining space. You've then got that beautiful big lounge with that huge window at the front. You've got the air conditioning in the lounge and the main bedroom, and externally you've got the fully insulated log cabin with underfloor heating and the insulated workshop. And then of course you've got the off-road parking here as well, huge amounts of space to work with. And then coming back to the refurbishment aspect of it, you've got the new roof and windows here as well. We really do hope that you enjoyed taking a look at number 2 Woodrow Chase with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.